Welcome back, everybody. The last time we took a trip from Lagos all the way to Ibadan, made a U-turn at Ibadan and headed back to Lagos. Midway, we turned into Abeokuta. So follow me while we continue this journey and see how far the gas will take us. In order to exhaust every bit of gas in this car, let me get to Abeokuta. Let's drive to Abeokuta. Very good road conditions, and let's see if we can do Abeokuta, make a U-turn at Abeokuta, and then get back to Lagos. If we can do that, then it's been really worth it. Making a U-turn, setting our trajectory now to Eko. Let's go back. Covered 226, still on gas but on reserve, still moving. So we're almost back at the Shagamu interchange, and where are we? We're counting 236, reserve light but on gas, and we're going. Kilometers, 242 kilometers done, still on gas, on red. It ends. We're back on petrol.